Can you use your VA loan to flip a house? Let's separate the facts from the myths because it's not as simple as yes or no. A lot of veterans ask me, can I use my VA loan to flip a house? And the answer is not really. I'm Jason Wood, the VA loan guy, and in this video, we're going to talk about what counts as a flip, why VA loans generally don't work for them, and what is possible when it comes to buying a home that needs work. So what is a flip and why veterans ask about it? When we say flip, we usually mean buying a property below market value, renovating it quickly, and selling it for a profit. It's a fast-paced, hands-on, and it appeals to a lot of veterans looking to build wealth. In fact, there's a whole bunch of TV shows on HGTV about flipping houses, so it's popular. But VA loans are designed for home ownership, not investment, and that's where the rules matter. So why flips are generally not eligible? Let's talk about that for a second. Primary residence rule. The VA loan must be for a primary residence. That means you must move into the house within 60 days. You must intend to live there for at least 12 months. Buying a place just to flip it in 3 to 6 months, that violates the rule. Now, property condition standards. VA appraisals require homes to be safe, structurally sound, and sanitary. If the property has major issues like no functioning kitchen, roof damage, or missing systems, the VA will not approve it. Flip timeline conflicts. Flipping often involves fast closings, short hold times, quick resale. That clashes with the VA's intent to occupy requirement. Plus, VA might flag short-term resale as speculative or non-owner occupied. Intent to occupy and legal risk. Saying you live there just to qualify for the loan, but never actually moving in, that can be considered loan fraud. The VA takes occupancy seriously, and loan fraud is a felony. Can you buy a fixer-upper with the VA loan? Yes, but only if it's in a livable condition at closing. Think ugly kitchen, okay. No plumbing, not okay. Cosmetic repairs are fine. Major rehab projects, not so much. There is a VA renovation loan product, but it's very specific and harder to qualify for than just a traditional VA loan. But you can renovate a home that otherwise would not pass the VA minimum property requirements and get it up to snuff. So I'll share with you a flip denial story that we had. We had a veteran who tried to use their VA loan to buy a property that needed major structural repairs. It was a screaming deal, but the VA appraiser flagged it. It was unsafe and the loan was denied. We had another one where the veteran bought the home and had an outdated kitchen and flooring. They never used their VA loan, moved in and renovated while they were living there. The VA loan allowed it because the home was livable. Now we had one where they got caught. One client bought with the intent to flip. They resold the home within 4 months and the VA questioned the occupancy timeline and it triggered a compliance review. So the VA loan is an incredible benefit, but it's not built for flipping homes. We do have loan products specifically for that, but they're going to require down payment. And I know you want the VA loan for the zero down, but the VA loan is built to help veterans become homeowners. If you want to invest in real estate, there are other ways to do it, but try using the VA loan for short-term flips. It can lead to denials, delays, or worse. So I wouldn't mess with it. If you're looking at a fixer-upper that needs minor cosmetic work, great. The VA loan can often support that, or the VA renovation loan might be a good solution as well. But big flips are not really what the VA loan is designed for. So want to know what types of repairs are VA eligible? We need clarity on what's too risky, right? So we built a free VA flip guide that outlines the timeline rules, renovation limits, what's livable versus unlivable. So you can download that by clicking below or go to valoanguy.us/flip. Got a property in mind? Drop the details in the comments or book a call with us. We'll tell you if it's doable before you waste your time. Because your VA loan is powerful, but only when used right.